Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is the hormone, a chemical messenger that travels in the blood from an endocrine gland to its target. By the end of this video, you'll know what makes a hormone different from a neurotransmitter, the main endocrine glands, and where hormones win out. A hormone is a chemical messenger released into the blood from an endocrine gland. It travels in the bloodstream to its target organ and produces a response. Slower than nerves, but the effects last longer and reach wider areas of the body. Each hormone has specific target cells with matching receptors. 3 things. 1. Hormones travel in blood, not along nerves. 2. They're slower than neural signals, but the effects last longer. 3. Only cells with the right receptor respond. Insulin only acts on cells with insulin receptors, liver, muscle, fat cells. Common slip. Hormones and neurotransmitters are different. Both are chemical messengers, but hormones travel in blood. Neurotransmitters cross synaptic gaps. And the main endocrine glands you must know, the pancreas, the thyroid, the adrenal, pituitary, ovaries, and testes. Quick example. Eat a meal. Blood glucose rises. The pancreas releases insulin into the blood. The insulin reaches the liver and muscle cells with insulin receptors and triggers glucose uptake. Slower than a reflex. Takes minutes, not milliseconds, but the effect is sustained and reaches every cell that needs it. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.